Most drivers take great care of their engines, tires and brakes, but completely ignore one area that affects your comfort, your driving experience, and even your car's resale value: the interior. And here's the surprising truth: most interior damage doesn't come from wear and tear. It comes from small, everyday habits that slowly destroy your seats, dash, electronics, and trims without you even realizing it. Today, we're breaking down 8 ways you're destroying your car's interior, and what you should do instead to keep it looking brand new for years. Let's start with the first one: direct sunlight. UV rays are the #1 killer of dashboards, leather seats, and interior plastics. If your car is always parked outside without shade, the cabin slowly cooks from the inside. The dashboard gets tiny cracks, leather dries out, plastic trims become brittle, and your steering wheel becomes shiny and worn. Instead, always use a sunshade, even if you're only parking for an hour. A high-quality reflective shade keeps the temperature lower, slows fading, and protects the most expensive parts of your interior. And if you really want long-term protection, use a UV protectant spray every few weeks. The second thing destroying your interior is harsh cleaning products. Most people grab household cleaners because they, seem strong, but they're actually way too strong. Products like glass cleaners with ammonia, all-purpose kitchen sprays, or abrasive powders strip away the protective coating from plastics and leather. And honestly, this leads to dullness, cracking, and discoloration. Instead, always use products designed for automotive interiors. They're pH balanced, safe, and meant for car materials, not kitchen countertops. Number 3. Eating in the car. You may think a few crumbs won't hurt, but over time, food particles fall deep into the stitching, under the seats, and into air vents. Drinks spill and seep into fabrics, leaving this sticky residue that, honestly, becomes impossible to fully remove. Oils from your hands mix with dust, creating a grimy film on your steering wheel and controls. Instead, make a simple rule. If you must eat in the car, just do a quick wipe down afterward and vacuum once a week. It only takes a few minutes, but trust me, it saves you from long-term stains and smells. Fourth, using cheap seat covers. Many drivers think seat covers protect the interior, but low-quality covers actually trap heat, rub against the leather or fabric, and cause wear spots. Some even bleed color into the seats when the cabin gets hot. Instead, if you want seat covers, choose breathable, high-quality materials that don't trap moisture. Or better yet, just clean and condition your seats regularly. They're designed to last longer than you think. Number 5. Overloading your car with heavy objects. Tossing bags, tools, groceries, or, metal objects onto seats and door panels causes scratches, dents, and permanent pressure marks. Even something as simple as keeping a laptop bag on your passenger seat every day can flatten the foam and, honestly, change the shape of the cushion. Instead, you should use your trunk, use organizers, and make sure to secure heavy items properly. Your seats are really meant to support people, not equipment. 6th, ignoring spills. Even tiny spills can cause huge long-term problems. Coffee stains fabrics instantly, sugary drinks dry into sticky residue, and water spills, well, they can cause mildew under the carpet if absorbed. Most interiors are not designed to handle moisture well, so honestly, delaying cleanup is the worst thing you can do. Instead, clean spills immediately, no matter how small. It's a good idea to keep microfiber towels and interior wipes in your glove box for emergencies. The 7th way people destroy their interior is by using the wrong type of air fresheners. You've definitely seen those liquid gel fresheners hanging from the vent. They smell good at first, but the chemicals inside them evaporate and cling to your dashboard plastics, turning them sticky and discolored. Some even leak and leave permanent marks. Instead, use charcoal-based fresheners or paper-style ones that don't release liquid chemicals onto your surfaces. And finally, number 8. Ignoring regular interior maintenance. Most drivers wash the exterior weekly, but clean the interior maybe once every 6 months. Dust builds up on the dashboard, crumbs sink deeper into the carpet, fingerprints coat the infotainment screen, and leather slowly dries out. Instead, do small, consistent cleaning. Wipe down the dash once a week, vacuum every 2 weeks, and condition leather every 2 to 3 months. A few minutes of maintenance prevents years of damage. Your car's interior is the part you interact with the most, and keeping it clean isn't just about looks. A well-maintained interior increases comfort, protects electronics, reduces odors, and boosts your resale value. If you want more practical car-saving tips like this, make sure you subscribe, because I upload videos every day that help you save money and take better care of your car.